back to Red Ted Art. So this is going to show you how to make these little paper cup shamrock or leprechaun hats. They're really fun and they're really easy. Now just to warn you, when I made these in this video, I'd never made one of these before, so I kind of tried things out as we went along. So this isn't a perfect craft, but to be honest, I'm pretty happy with the results. Even if they're not perfect, I think it's pretty cute, and you know what? They're easy to make. So come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So to make our St. Patrick's Day hat, these are the materials I'm going to use. Now I've never made this hat before, so we're going to wing it together and let's see what happens. But I've got a green paper cup. If you don't have a green paper cup, use a white one and paint it, or use a toilet roll, some paper, an Alice band, some black ribbon, a little bit of gold, some glue, scissors, and similar. So the first thing we want to do is turn this into an Alice band, but we'll have to take it apart again. Now to do that, I want to go as close to the bottom as possible and make a little hole with my scissors. Not too big, but enough for the band to go through. There we go. And then repeat opposite. There we go, your basic. This is going to fit really well and it won't come off, so that's really good. Take it off again though, because we still need to do quite a bit of decorating. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this rim off. And we're going to use this as a stencil to create a little lid for it. So there's two ways. You can either take it around the outside and just glue it down so it still shows, or I'm going to fiddle it, which means it won't be perfect sticking, but enough to hold it into place. I'm going to put some glue on the inside, kind of hope for the best, and then maybe stick a little bit of glue on the outside just to kind of secure it. Okay, let's try something else. I'm going to cut this off. Take a little bit of tape around the back, just to hold it in place. So this is going to be my back. And then, because I don't want to have tape showing on the front, let's try it with the hot glue gun this way around. That'll do. Great. Okay, next bit. Next bit is to create a base. So I want let's see if I can fit the two of these on. I would like my base to be that big, and I want to do two of them simply because I want to make it a bit stronger. If you've got light card that you're using, you can probably just use one circle, but mine's just paper, so in order to make it stronger, I'm going to cut two out. Now I want this to fit on here, but the Alice band still has to go through. So we'll need to cut out a hole. So I'm using my cup to measure out the base. I hope I get it central. Oh, that's not very central, is it? It's not quite right, but hey. And I'm cutting just inside the circle because we're going to need something to glue it down with. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Maybe a little bit more actually. Let's see if you want it to be just below those holes. There we go, look at that. Quite happy with that. I don't mind that it pokes up a bit. I think that looks quite fun. Good. And it means that you can still put your the headband through. So I'm just going to secure that. There we go, look at that. And if you want, you can then bend it a little bit. Great, great. Now we want our details. So I've got, this is from a shopping bag. And here I cut out a gold piece of paper. I drew some lines on the back, the width of the ribbon. And I'm just going to pull it through. And on the other side. Look at that, looks good, doesn't it? And then just glue this in place. So we need that, that's where the hot glue gun is going to be really good. So hot glue gun all around the back. And we'll trim it when we need to. This is a great bit of recycling. Now of course if you don't have a black ribbon, you can use paint or some paper. The good thing about a ribbon is that you can shape it a little bit to fit the you know, the shape of the cup. Okay, and you cut the back. So cute, I'm so excited. A bit more, I think my hot glue gun's almost finished. There we go. And now the last little bit, I have a pipe cleaner, and we're going to turn the pipe cleaner into a shamrock. So just fold it in half and then start making a little heart, roughly where the half is. First heart, give it a twist, make another heart, give it a twist, and another heart, and just twist it round. Have a little lucky shamrock. Might have to cut it down actually because I put lots of glue there now. So let's see how I'll attach that. I should really have left some space. That side now. I really glued this down well, didn't I? Although, hang on a minute, this worked. There we go. Our little shamrock or leprechaun hat is finished. What do you think? So that was a live make. I mean, I fast forwarded some of these pieces, but I've never made this before, so kind of made it up as we went along. I think it's really cute, quite simple, quite easy. You can make it from toilet roll, just paper, or like I used a paper cup. And yeah, ready for St. Patrick's Day. Anyway, hope you like this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.